video, we'll be talking about the steps to start your YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you the steps that are required to start your own YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us once again. My name is Lenny. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lenny Rukundo from Mobilepreneur, the channel that helps you to discover your passions and turn them into videos and share them on social media while making money. The first step to setting up your YouTube channel will be to set up your Gmail account. And this way you'll be able to set up your YouTube account using your Gmail account. Once you have set up your YouTube account, the next thing is to identify the topic that you will be talking about or you will be recording as a video. This might be carpentry, it might be food, it might be anything. After that, you will need to come up with ideas, 100 ideas. Basically, you will need to brainstorm 100 ideas for your topic. This way, you will not have a problem while looking for content for your channel. Once you've done that, it is time now to give some life to your channel. And by doing so, you will need to write a description and have a banner designed for your channel. And now we come to the hardest bit that most people get stuck with, the recording. Fear not. Stand in front of a camera and lights on and you're on air. Record your first video. Please bear in mind, it's not everybody who started off with a perfect video. If you wait for perfectionism, you will never hit that record button. Yes, it's good to be a self-critic, but this is the most important thing. Hit the record button. Once you finish recording, the next step will be editing your video. Well, that takes a bit of skill, and you have a learning curve if you don't have the necessary skills to be able to do this. So, skill yourself up and be ready to have fun editing your videos. Now that you finally edited your video, it is time to upload. Once you've uploaded, you need to spread the word. Share with friends and families. Let them know that you're sharing. You've been on this journey and you've come up and finalized the first video. However, don't expect instant success. You will need to have consistency in the production of your videos. It takes a lot of time, but you will get there. Then the next thing you will need to do will be following your numbers, getting to understand your analytics, getting to understand where is your traffic coming from, getting to understand how long are people staying on your video clips. Try not to go to very long videos. Stay short and to the point. Now, we need to remember as a last step, which is very important, in YouTube and in any social media platform, consistency is the magic word. We need to have that consistency. Without consistency, you will not be able to grow your YouTube channel. Thank you very much for joining us on this video. I hope it has been helpful and would like to know in the comments below what are the topics that you would like, and let me know what topics are you thinking about to start your YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell for more videos just like this.